Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends and we are jumping straight into this video. Today's unit is from Asteria hair. Inside of the box came an elastic band, another type of elastic band, as well as a wig cap, a pair of lashes, and then a bag to hold your unit. The unit that I have is their straight pre-cut HD lace 5x5 closure wig. Is 20 inches and 180% density. The ends of this unit look really good, girl. Like, they're full. You don't need to trim them. Like, I just love it. It's full from root to end. The lace looks good. I believe they probably pre-bleached it and pre-plucked it because I did nothing. You don't need to do anything. The inside of the cap, as you can see, again, it's a 5x5 closure. It's glueless, so it comes with that elastic band, and it doesn't have any combs, which I love because the combs just be poking me anyways. So I did go ahead and tint my lace with my tinting spray. It's in the shade medium dark brown by the brand Red, and I just sprayed that along the lace, and then I plopped this unit onto my head. I do not wear wig caps, so if a wig cap is what you prefer, go ahead and put that on first before you put the unit on. But personally, I've been loving not wearing a wig cap and just the hassle of putting that on. It's just easier for me to just put the unit on, and it just looks bomb when I do so. So now you're done, and yeah, no, I'm playing. So I really was contemplating what to do next because it was just too easy. It was just too easy, sis. Like, you literally don't need to do anything to this unit but put it on. So I did just go ahead and comb back the flyaways that got stuck up under the wig. We are wearing this glueless, so I did just go in with my wax stick and put that across the parting space, and then I went in with my hot comb just to give it a good, flat down. Does that even make sense? Just to lay the unit down flat, and we gotta look cute, make it look cute. Again, y'all, I did not pre-pluck this unit. I did not bleach the knots. When I say I literally just put this unit on out of the pack, that is exactly what I did. So now I'm just going in and flat ironing this unit. I was going to add some curls, but this unit is just so pretty. The girl, it's just pretty. I'm speechless. It's just too pretty not to wear it how it came, which is just straight. So yeah, I'm just straightening, maybe adding just a tad bit of a bump at the ends, but for the most part, I'm literally just flat ironing it. So now that we are looking cute, I'm going back in with some more wax just to tame the flyaways, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb as well. So even though I think the lace tint did its job, I'm gonna go in with some powder. It's from Black Radiance. It's a contour palette, and I'm just gonna add some powder. I probably should have skipped this part just because I think in the end it kind of looked a little dark when I got outside, and that's just my fault, but for the most part it looked good. So yeah. And this is what the unit turned out looking like. And honey, girl, like, get into this unit. You cannot tell me this unit does not look so good. It looks so flawless. I'm excited. The lace, again, y'all, I probably over tinted my lace with that powder. It is a little bit dark, and you can kind of see my lace, but I think if I wouldn't have did that, I think it would have been a flawless install. But it still looks good. Like, you can't tell me otherwise. It still looks good. I'm just gonna lighten up my powder later on, but yeah, like, girl, it just, I really love this unit. It is so full, 180% density. Girl, you could have told me it was 200 and I would have believed you, or 250, because the unit is very thick. You can run your fingers through it. I received no shedding, no tangling, no nothing. Again, y'all, I did not do anything to this unit. It's literally just straight out the pack. So if you wash it or whatever you get from washing it, that's on you. I don't know, because I didn't wash it or do anything of that sort. But straight out the package, this unit is definitely bomb. Again, you can run your finger straight through it. The ends of this hair is good. You don't need to trim it. You get your full 20 inches. And sis, can I say beginner friendly? This unit is so beginner friendly. If you're one of those who does not know how to cut the lace, who does not know how to pre-pluck or bleach the knots, get this unit, because all you need to do is put it onto your head and flat iron it, and you can see that the part is just clearly beaming through. I did not add any powder to this part, and I'm not wearing a wig cap, so that tells it all. Get this unit. Anyways, girl, I'll have this unit linked in the description box below, as well as the company, Asteria Hair. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.